Good Monday morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you some updates on what's going on this week and wish you the best week possible here. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Just wanted to let you know tomorrow we're going to have a great meeting, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, our sales meeting. We started a series, pretty much 37 referral ways to build your referral business. The first ones we went over last week were pretty much all about video. The next ones that we're going to be diving into don't have to do with video. And there's about 10 ones that we're going to go over this week and another 10 or so that we're going to go over next week. So please plan on attending. These are really good, informative meetings. Also on Thursday at noon, we're going to have a lunch and learn from Noah Restoration. So please plan on attending that. And this Saturday, the 12th at 1 p.m. at Tiger Cove Park in Wellington, we're going to have the pumpkin carving and face painting contest. So bring the kids, bring the family, and please plan on attending that. We're going to have some fun as we get going on in the month here. Also keep in mind that we have a listing contest going on right now. I believe we're at 12 listings so far, so we just need 13 more listings in the next 24 days. That's certainly a doable thing, so let's get out there and find some listings. You know, call your past clients, call your sphere. Actually, here's a challenge for you for this week. Get on your phone, get your text messaging out, text 5 people that you know pretty much own their own home, and just text them, hey, the market's really good right now. Inventory is low. Have you had any thoughts of selling in the next year? And just leave it at that and see what they respond. You might be quite surprised. You might actually get a few appointments out of that. So that's today's challenge. So get out there, text 5 people, and see if anybody's got a house they need to sell in the next 12 months. All right? Other than that, everybody have a great week. I'll see you all tomorrow at the meeting. And always remember, no matter how you feel, wake up, dress up, show up, and never give up. I'll see you all tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Thanks. Bye.